Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another yummy episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making perfect and delicious mini strawberry cakes. They're going to be so good. I know you guys are going to love these. And all the ingredients we're going to be using today are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new weekly recipes. Now let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees and start on this perfect strawberry cake. Now to get started, in a mixing bowl, we're going to add in 1 stick of butter and 1 cup of sugar. And with our hand mixer, we're going to beat these until they're nice and light and fluffy. Next, we're going to add in 2 eggs, Now our next ingredient, we're going to add in some strawberry flavor. If you want a quick strawberry flavor, you can add in strawberry extract, or you can add in some strawberry jam, just bought from the store, like you make a little PB&J. Or if you're interested, like I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be doing a strawberry compote. I'll put all those ingredients and those directions down below also, but really it's quick. You just take strawberries, throw them in a pot, add some sugar, some lemon juice, let it do its thing for about 20-25 minutes, and you have perfect, delicious, quick strawberry compote. I definitely suggest going that route. And if you're interested, like I said, I'll put all those ingredients and all those directions down below also. So let's go ahead and add in a 1/2 cup of strawberry compote and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then we're going to mix these all together until they're fully incorporated. And lastly, we're going to add in a 3/4 cup of milk and give that one quick little mix. Now for our dry ingredients, in a mixing bowl, we're going to add in 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And if you want really a super pink color, you could definitely add in a couple of drops of pink food gel coloring. Usually I would at this point, but I'm all out. But if you have it, definitely add in a couple of drops if you want to. At the end of the day, it's just cake. Amazing strawberry cake, but it's just cake. And with our hand mixer, we want to beat these all together until they're just combined. Now let's go ahead and add this delicious strawberry cake batter into our pans. Today, I'm going to be using 4-inch springform pans. But if you have a 8-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch, any kind of inch cake pan, you can use whatever you have lying around. Now let's go ahead and pop these in the oven and let bake for a 1/2 hour, 35 minutes at the most, or until a cake tester comes out clean. So our strawberry cakes have baked, they're starting to cool. Let's go ahead and start on our yummy strawberry frosting. In a mixing bowl, we're going to take 2 8-ounce bars of softened cream cheese and 1 stick of softened butter. And with our hand mixer, we're going to beat these on a high speed until it's nice and smooth, really making sure we have no lumps in our frosting. And then we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of our strawberry compote. And with our hand mixer, we're just gonna beat that in with the cream cheese and butter. Follow that with 6 cups of powdered sugar. Give those a nice little mix until everything's nice and fully incorporated. I definitely suggest starting at a low speed so you don't get a big poof of powdered sugar in your face. And gradually work your way up to a medium speed. And lastly, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. And give those a nice, quick little mix with our hand mixer. So with our frosting done, our cake's completely cooled and leveled, be sure to save the top of your cake. Let's go ahead and start putting everything together. So we're gonna take our bottom layers of our cakes, or cake, depending on the cake pan size you're using, and add on some of our delicious strawberry frosting. And then add on top our second layer of cake. Follow that with even more of that yummy strawberry frosting. Then with that top layer of cake that we saved when we were leveling, we're gonna crumble that up a little bit and sprinkle some on top. Why not? And finish it off with a delicious strawberry. And there we have it, our perfect, delicious strawberry cakes. Just so a little joy of heaven. Serving of 1. Do a little taste test. Now that is one bomb strawberry cake. I know you guys are really gonna love this. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you get to try and make these perfect strawberry cakes, definitely give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. I'll put all those down below. And until next week, bye.